Be alone, but never lonely. Self-growth journey. There's a quiet power in being alone. Not the kind of loneliness that empties the heart, but the kind of solitude that fills the soul. In a world that is always rushing, always loud, always demanding, choosing to be alone can feel strange, almost uncomfortable. But sometimes, it's the only way to hear your own voice again. People often fear being alone, because they think it means something is missing. But the truth is, being alone is often where you finally find what's been missing: yourself. When you step away from the noise, from the expectations, from the pressure to please everyone, you begin to reconnect with your own mind. You begin to understand what you want, what you need, and who you truly are beneath everything the world tried to place on you. Being alone is a journey inward, and this journey teaches you the difference between loneliness and peace. Loneliness says, I need someone to fill this space, but peace says, I am enough to fill my own space. Loneliness comes from emptiness, but solitude comes from strength. When you learn to enjoy your own company, you become harder to break, harder to influence, harder to manipulate, because you no longer cling to people out of fear. You choose them out of alignment. You stop settling for temporary comfort. You stop chasing connections that drain you. You stop accepting attention that comes with conditions. You become someone who doesn't need the crowd, because you're busy building your own foundation. Being alone teaches you patience. It teaches you discipline. It teaches you clarity. It gives you the space to grow, emotionally, mentally, spiritually. This is where self-love is built, where dreams are planned, where healing begins, where confidence develops quietly, day by day. And the transformation is subtle. No one sees the work you're doing, but everyone will feel the difference when you return. When you rise from your season of solitude, you rise with more wisdom, more energy, more purpose. You return calmer. You return clearer. You return with a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. People may not understand how you became so grounded, so focused, so strong. But the truth is simple. You gave yourself the space to grow. You chose solitude over noise. You chose growth over distraction. So don't fear being alone. Don't run from the quiet. Don't rush to fill your life with people who don't match your future. Instead, stand tall in your solitude. Honor it. Protect it. Use it to build the version of you that you've always wanted to become. Because being alone doesn't mean you're missing something. It means you're becoming something. Be alone, but never lonely. Choose yourself. Grow in your own company. And when the right people come along, you will know, because you will no longer need them to complete you. You'll simply welcome them into a life you've already built with strength,